So today I'm going to show you how to create natural and custom vignette in Photoshop in just 1 minute. So first go to the layer panel, adjustment layers and then levels, and just drag this white area to the dark to make this image darker, and then select the brush tool. Make sure the mask is selected and the foreground color is black, and with the hard brush just click it once like this, Ctrl+T. So adjust the circle as you want to. Once you're satisfied, press OK, and then select this mask, go to the properties and feather like this. But as you can see, the lights are also dark, so what I'm going to do is right click on this layer and then blending options, and in underlying layers press alt and subtract this area, and here we go like this. So press OK. So what I'm going to do is go to the custom levels, and then from here I'm just selecting the red one and then just drag it like this from the dark area like this one. Give it a little tint of red like this. That's how you can create a natural and custom vignette in Photoshop in just 1 minute.